Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, encourage me by subscribing. The Lord will bless you. In today's video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding word examples under common nouns, places. Common nouns, places. And remember that common nouns are divided into 5 groups: people, places, animals, things, and ideas. Okay? I have done people, I have done animals. In today's video, we are going to be looking at word examples under places. Before I transcribe them, let us sound them together first. Okay? This is park, airport, village, school, hospital, church, library, river, station, location, hill, and beach. So follow me as I open up the slashes now and transcribe the words one after the other. And remember, transcribing words is good for our memory. It helps our brains. Okay? This is park. You bring it up. That's all. And this is airport. And this is village. Village. And this is school. And this one is hospital. Hospital. And this one is church. Okay, look at these two sounds coming in. And this one is library. Very simple. And this is river. And this one is station. This one is location. And this one is hill. And this one is beach. Okay. Let me close them up and then we sound them together. I really appreciate you watching my video. Thank you. Okay, this is park. Park. Airport. Airport. Village. Village. School. School. Hospital. Hospital. Church. Church. Library. Library. River. River. Station. Station. Location. Location. Hill. Hill. Beach. Beach. Okay, let me go over it just once more. Park. Airport. Village. School. Hospital. Church. Library. River. Station. Location. Hill. Beach. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you.